Hey y'all, today on Southern Boys Outdoors, it's breakfast burritos. We're cooking on that 36-inch Loco. What I really like is a smart temperature control. Awesome griddle right here. First up, y'all, we're going to throw down some bacon. And look, I love that big, thick, right bacon. I mean, it's nice, thick, and I'm telling you, can't beat that bacon. All right, we got that bacon all cooked up. Look at here. Nice, crispy bacon. I'm telling you right now, it's hard to beat nice, crispy, thick bacon. Next up, y'all, we're going to hit that griddle with the hash browns and get them all seasoned up and everything. We season with pepper, little Southern Boy seasoning. Just don't get no better than that Southern Boy seasoning. All right, we got them hash browns all piled to the side. Time to hit that griddle with the eggs. Y'all, that's a dozen eggs. Add a little milk to them, salt, pepper, season them up. Get them eggs all scrambled. Now, get them, I didn't over scramble them because I'm going to add them back to the grill later. So I'm picking them up. Get the eggs all nice picked up. Hit them with that Kobe Jack cheese. Everybody loves that Kobe Jack cheese on top of it. Oh, man, don't get no better than that Kobe Jack. Add the bacon to it. I love that meaty bacon, right bacon. Get that all mixed up a little bit. Looking so good. Now, we're back to the griddle. We got the hash browns. We're going to dump that right on top of the hash browns. We're going to add some more Kobe Jack cheese to it. And then we're going to hit it with 1 can of Rotel. Add that 1 can of Rotel to it. Get that mixed in there, get it all stirred up, get them flavors all coming together. Now it's time to get that off the griddle and get ready to make our burritos. All right, before we make them burritos, y'all, we want to toast the wraps, get them on that griddle, flip them over. Look at that, how they turn it nice and brown. About 30 seconds per side. It don't take very long at all. You just want to light brown them, light toast them. I've done that one a little bit too much, but it's all good. Time to get them off of there and get them ready for making the burritos. Breakfast burritos today, y'all. All right, here we go. There's your hash browns, your eggs, your bacon, Kobe Jack cheese, a lot of Kobe Jack cheese, 1 can of Rotel. Now, what you want to do, you want to fold up both edges. Flip them up like that. You want to roll that end up, and then you tuck it back in nice and neat. Ready. Boom. There you go. All right, we're going to head back to the griddle with them. We're going to lay them out on that griddle. But what we want to do is heat the inside up, help melt that cheese, get them all together. Now take them off. Y'all, these are ready to serve. Look how pretty those burritos are right there. Breakfast burritos today. Ooh, don't get no better than that. This out right here. Beautiful, beautiful burritos. I got to cut it in half. Give y'all a peek on the inside of this thing. Y'all check this out. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at all that cheese there, baby. I'm telling you right now, y'all. That right there, it don't get no better than that right there, y'all. Burritos, breakfast burritos, Southern Boy style.